Good morning, people, and welcome back to my channel. It's China Doll here. So today I'm going to be doing a really quick trip to Universal. So this video might be really short, but I'm mainly going out there to hang out with a friend, and I really want to see if the velocicoaster might be test running, because I heard like random times throughout the day or the evening it will test run, and I really want to see it in person. I know there's like tons of videos online, but I want to see it with my own eyes. So journey along with me as we're gonna head to Universal. Oh yeah, and by the way, I forgot to tell you that them have some new mask in Universal. So you know that Mardi Gras is coming next week to Universal, which I'm super excited about because I didn't know if they were going to still have the event this year because of the pandemic. It's just that there's no concerts, unfortunately, which I do miss. But at least they're still going to have the event with good food and music and whatever else. And since they have a Mardi Gras next week, they have the new Mardi Gras mask. Look, I had to get it. And they also have some new raptor masks too. So let's go and head to Universal. So I'm here at Islands Adventure with my theme park buddy Jeremy.
Hey guys!
And we came out to check out the new velocicoaster that's opening this summer. I've heard like random times throughout the day they'll test run. Unfortunately right now it's not happening, but if I know it's kind of hard to see, but they have added like 2 new raptors like right there on the entrance of the ride. I'm really excited. I can't wait till this opens up. It looks amazing.
Yeah, I'm excited. This thing is a beautiful looking poster, this layout. But yeah, I mean, of course, when we get here, we'll be testing. It's been testing all week. But...
Yes, it always happens. Like every time I come, it never tests. As soon as I leave, oh, now it wants to go.
I'm sure it will later on this afternoon, but you know, we're kind of on a time crunch.
Whoa, look at that walkway entrance going into the velocicoaster. Wow, are they closing it? No. So here is a closer look of the raptors for the new Jurassic Park, right? Because from the other angle you couldn't really see them one bit, but behind this fence, there you go. Oh man. Did you guys know that these arrows right here in front of the raptor encounter means a specific thing? Jeremy, tell them.
Oh yeah, it just means that that's how they transport blue from the raptor encounter back to Arcana.
That's why the arrows lead all the way up
That's
here.
the theming blended into the velocicoaster. In theory, when she's not meet and greeting with the guests, she's back in Arcana.
There you go, you heard it first. You learn something new every day. So the River Adventure ride is currently closed temporarily before like seasonal maintenance, and it's weird seeing it with fenced up because I'm so used to just walking by and everybody's going in.
Yeah, it usually happens around the slower months, so usually around this time of year. It's usually down for like 2 weeks, but just routine maintenance.
Yeah. But man, it's only January and it's kind of getting hot already. I was like, what happened to the cooler weather? There's one ride I don't really like going on because you get soaked on the popeyes. But I mean, soaked on head to toe. Look at that. Ah. Big wide drop. Oh boy. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Like it finally started test run. I got so excited. I've been trying to come here almost every day now, and now I get to finally see it in person. Oh my god, look at that beauty. Woo! Here it comes. Oh boy. Oh.
Wow.
Yes. Finally, I'm so excited. So weird. I have never came through this entrance from Islands of Adventure by like the Toon Lagoon area
to go into Universal. So they're making us walk through this one pathway which I've never been. Oh, so it makes you come out through where the Blue Man Group is, and that's where you get right into Island. That's so convenient, and then that way I don't have to like walk through City Walk and go through the main entrance to get into Universal. All of this. It was good seeing my friend Murph here at Chez Alcatraz. I'm on a friend Vincent. Hey, my favorite bartenders here.
Look at it! So much blood in the water! We need a pillow!
It's coming through right now. I am so happy that velosicoaster got to test run like unexpectedly, because usually it happens later on in the day, not this early, and I was worried I wasn't gonna be able to catch it before work, and I was so excited. Like, I don't know, it was just like amazing. But if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next adventure.